In this video, I'll show you how to remove watermarks on your photos taken by your Samsung S24 Ultra. So if you've set watermarks like this on your photos you've taken from your Samsung S24 Ultra, and now you want to remove these, then let me show you how to do this. Now just a note, this can be done on other Samsung Galaxy phone which has the One UI 6.1 installed on it. So if you have that, you'll be able to do this as well. So first you want to go ahead and open up your gallery. Go ahead and preview the photo. So for example, this one here. So here I want to go ahead and remove the watermark at the top left. So I'll tap on edit icon here, the pen icon. Next, I'll go ahead and tap on revert at the top right, and then tap on revert to original. Now, once I do this, the watermark will be removed from this. I'll go ahead and tap on save. And now this will override the photo and will save it without the watermark. And there you go. That is how to remove watermarks from your photos taken on the Samsung S24 Ultra. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.